Hi guys, it's We Do back in the cottage garden again. I just want to show you something that I got for free. We love our freebies. You know, gardeners are kind of like a different breed of people. We like to shop about, get our bargains. Well, what this is just an old carrot bed. And I was given these windows from the cottage down the road because they're doing it out. I caught that by mistake, but I mean it's still functional. And the carrots are actually starting to come back. Now we have a problem with rabbits around here. It is like watering down. They come off that field. We've got one going on here as well. I'll show you where he's been. He's been right in there. There he is. Alright. So, yeah, the old greenhouse has been battered, but it's still going. So it's still, I can't believe if all this weather the plastic hasn't ripped off, but it's still going. So yeah, if you get some old windows, they act like a perfect propagator. I'll put some wood around here and it'll keep the rabbits off and also help the seedlings. Completely free, guys. Alright, my spinach is starting to take off. That's pretty good. Getting plenty of that as well. Nothing like homegrown spinaches. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Why not subscribe, and we'll see you soon.